Today is a very special chef versus fridge masterclass brought to you by Haier. I'm going to be making a desi videsi lamb. और lamb chops के साथ I'm going to be making a fantastic red wine pepper sauce. With that, I'm going to be doing a beautiful market salad. So as you can see, there's a lot of action happening in this kitchen. There are too many smart people in this kitchen too. I'm not talking about myself, लेकिन let me introduce you to हमारा serial chiller. हायर का स्मार्ट फ्रिज which is just amazing. और जब हायर का फ्रिज is with me in the kitchen, you know what? Everything is just fantastic. Now, let's start cooking. Now you must be thinking, इतने ingredients आपके fresh कैसे रहेंगे? Now that's a very true thing. Because recipe is one thing, लेकिन उसका स्वाद जब आएगा, जब ingredients की quality बेहतर रहती है. Now that's the reason why the antibacterial feature in the Haier fridge takes care of all the ingredients. It actually senses it whether it's actually there or it's spoiled. So literally the fridge will tell you if the temperature is wrong and you cannot use that. As you know, लैम्ब को आप ज्यादा मैरिनेट करोगे तो उसका जो स्वाद है, जो फ्लेवर है, इज जस्ट फैंटास्टिक. गरम मसाला, अदरक और लहसुन की पेस्ट एंड ऑलिव ऑयल. अगर आपको चाहिए, what goes really well with this, and if you like the flavor, mustard oil goes really well with this dish. And remember, once you marinate meat, it's better you actually keep it in the fridge. तो अभी हम इसे अंदर रख देते हैं. So let's get our goodies for our salad. I have some very nice rocket leaves, but आप चाहो you can use any kind of lettuce. जब मैं lettuce use करता हूँ, salad बनाता हूँ, कभी-कभी उसमें पालक डालता हूँ, थोड़ी सी मेथी डालता हूँ, थोड़ी से herbs डालता हूँ, यानी कि पुदीना. So you can get as creative as you want with your salads. The idea is that it has to be tasty and stored correctly. This salad is actually called a carrot and raisin salad. So we're going to be cutting these into thin strips. थोड़े से हरे प्याज भी डालेंगे इसमें. I love using the green of the spring onion as well. I always try to incorporate one seasonal fruit in my salad. So now it's time ये थोड़ा हमारे salad को थोड़ा chill out कर देते हैं. Now thanks to Haier and its triple cooling system, यानी कि 3 fans है इसमें, which will cool everything beautifully and you will get the best freezing results from this. I've just got the lamb chops out. अब 5 minutes में we are going to cook it. When you are cooking meat, you have to make sure that it's not overcooked. Now you've got a beautiful color happening on this. This is exactly what I'm looking for. तो हम lamb को 3 to 4 minutes on each side पकाएंगे और फिर मैं उसे रेस्ट करने दूंगा. सो हमारी लैम्ब तो ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो गई है. चलो अभी बनाते हैं इसमें मेरा रेड वाइन पेपर सॉस. पहले हम डालेंगे इसमें बारीक कटे हुए प्याज, कशुंडी मस्टर्ड, क्रैक्ड ब्लैक पेपर, और उसके बाद अभी हम डालेंगे थोड़ी सी रेड वाइन. रिमेंबर व्हेन यू आर कुकिंग विद वाइन, यू हैव टू एक्चुअली वो वाइन को है उसको पकाना चाहिए हमें. जो उसका अल्कोहल जो है वो चला जाता है. And what you're left here is with a beautiful red wine flavor, which is just perfect for my lamb. जो हमारा serial chiller है, ये बड़ा genius है. It works on a Wi-Fi program. I can store my food and also keep a good eye on the temperatures, even if I'm not at home. And guess what? बिना खोले ही I can actually check what's inside the fridge. Yes, you're right. It has a camera too. Now remember one thing. Salads can be made in advance. Dressings भी है, it can be made in advance. लेकिन जब most important चीज़ है कि when you are ready to eat, बस उसी वक्त आप जो dressing है वो salad के साथ आप mix करोगे. So we have our lovely lamb chops here. We can also add a salad right here on the plate. So I'm going to be putting my sauce on the side. Let's garnish these also with a few sprouts. So we have this beautiful dish with lamb and salad. So I hope you really enjoyed this special Chef versus Fridge Masterclass. And don't forget to watch every Sunday, 8 p.m. Chef vs. Fridge only on Z Cafe. So see you soonest with the coolest and keep on eating yummy food until we see again.